over a period of time, a lot of people have been asking me to, to tell them the kind of website or the website or freelancers that they can be doing to generate income, okay, the local income without demanding for paper account or any other sort of payment, okay, the website that can be wiring the money into their local bank account. And I have been talking about these particular three websites for months now or years now, okay, and these websites, they are doing pretty good, okay. We are going to look into all those websites, and I'll show you their features and the reason why you should choose them, because at least you can make a lot of money with these websites, okay. Let's just go inside and I will show you everything you need to know about these three websites. And please make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Let's go without wasting much of our time. The first one we are going to talk about is nairaworkers.com. The links to this website is in the description if you wish to join, okay. If you wish to join, you can join through the link in the description. All right, okay, this website is pretty cool, okay. The website is really doing well. If you want to join this website, it's very simple and you don't even need to pay any money to join, okay. The only thing you need to do is just to sign up. Everything is free and you start making money ASAP, okay. This website is good. If you want to join this particular one, very okay to join. Okay, let's just look at the features. Small gig, big results. That's what they are saying here. You can do, if you are a business owner, ask people to help you sign up to a website, promote your content, install mobile apps, subscribe to your YouTube channel, okay. This is what this website is all about. Freelancers, okay, work when you want, where you want, okay. Take a survey, write a honest review, test an app, follow on social media, okay. That's these two things is what this website is all about, okay. If you want to hire people to help you, to do some task for you, this is the best website to do that, okay. This is the best app to do that. And if you want to get more details about this website, you can go to the description below. You will see the link, because I talked about this website before. So if you want to know more about the website, you can do that. So I recommend this website because this is free of charge. You are not paying anything. You are just here to do your work and go out. And what this one is all about, let me just log in so that we can view the inside and know more. This is how the inside. Okay, I'm not being active in this website, okay. As you can see, I just have 901 naira 49 kobo, okay. I'm not being active in this website because I have a lot of content, I have a lot of things to work on. But you as a student, you can do this stuff and make your cash. All right, this is how it look like. This is how it look like. Okay, if you have any issue, any quarrel, anything you want to ask, you can contact them via their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you can mail them also, okay. And we answer you ASAP. That's one thing I like about them. Available job. If you want to do any task here, you can go to available job, okay. This is the profile where you can update your profile, your account number, and everything. That's here. Wallet. Here you can deposit money and you can transfer money also here. That's wallet. So available job is where you can do job. You can do some task. Okay, you can do task in available job. Okay, as you can see, this is the available job here. This is available job. This is it. 7 naira 20 kobo. 7 naira 20 kobo. This website will not make you rich, but at least you can make a lot of money with this website. As you can see, it's 14 naira, 7 naira, okay. So that is this one, 18 naira. So if you wish to join this particular website, the link to join is in the description below. And if you want to know more about this website, you can also visit my other videos that I explain everything concerning this website, how to fund your account, how to work here, and how to do so many things. The link is also in the description below. Okay, so the next one we are going to talk about is called hawkit.ng. okay, that's the next one we are going to talk about, hawkit.ng. This one, the feature is awesome. Okay, you can pay, you can do so many things with this one. Okay, get people to repost your advert and perform social tasks for you on their social media page. Okay, as you can see, this one is similar to the first one, but the only thing is that those people add some content that make their own unique. Okay, that's the beauty of it. As you can see, you can do some advert here. This is another secret. They added some new features. You can do some advert here, in the sense that once you post your content, or you post your shoes or your anything you want to advert on, once you do that, you will get buyers here. Okay, as you can see, this very one have like 10.4 thousand viewers. Can you see the kind of traffic this website has? Okay, can you see that? 4.8k, 9.4k. This is an awesome way to make money. Can you see what other people are doing? You can come here and do the same thing. Advertise your products. If you still need to learn more about this particular website, you can go to the description. I have the link, and I also have the link. I also have the video that will teach you everything about this particular website. This website is really doing good also. You can post your advert here. Okay, you can fund your account. Once you fund your account, here is where you can withdraw your money. Okay, like I have total 9,707 naira here, because I've been doing some works here. I've been doing some work here. So earn daily by posting adverts of business and performing social tasks on your social media, okay, account. This one is get people to repost your adverts and perform social tasks for you on their social media page. Okay, this place is where you can get people to do some tasks for you. Okay, and you pay them. Take advantage of our huge traffic and advertise anything on the Hawkit market. Here, what you are saying is that you can do the same thing those people are doing here. You can sell your products, you can sell anything, car, supplements, pumps, and a lot more, and it costs only 500 naira. Okay, I have some of my ads here also, and I have tested it and it's working. I'm really making money with my own personal ad here. Okay, this website is really doing good. Okay, the another amazing stuff here is that you can buy airtime and data and enjoy up to 3% to 10% discounts across all network. This is another awesome stuff here. You can buy airtime, like I have been buying airtime with this website. I've been buying airtime and it's very cheap. Okay, it's very cheap. If you want to know more about this website, please, you can see so many videos that I did concerning this website. Someone request and asked me to do review so that they will know the one to choose. Okay, this one, if you want to join this particular website, all you need to do, this one is not free. Okay, this one is 1,000 naira. If you want to join, you will pay 1,000 naira to join, and I don't think 1,000 naira is nothing to compare what you will gain from this website. Okay, so if you want to join this particular website, all you need to do is just to go to comment below. You will see the link to join. Okay, and you also see the link to watch the video that I explain everything step by step on how it works. So that's the thing. All right, okay, the next one is the last one I have here, and it's called Owodeli. Okay, a lot of people know this particular website is now going viral. Okay, this is going across globe because this particular website is, making a lot of impact. Okay, it's going global, and this one will also pay you local to your local bank account. Okay, this one, all you need to do is just to do the same thing other people are doing. Task, you can do task. Okay, by doing task, it's just to make sure you do what other people are doing. Subscribe on YouTube channel, okay? As you can see, once you click and apply, once you click here, you can go and subscribe, okay? If you still need to learn more about this particular website, you can have some of my videos that I explain, well detailed video that will tell you everything step by step on how you can make money with this particular website, okay? As you can see, I've been posting video here. I have been posting content. I've been posting things, and people are doing some job for me here, and I've been also making money here, even though I'm not that active here because of the work I do. But you as a student, you that have a lot of time, this is an opportunity for you to make a lot of money, okay? Don't just wait for a bigger opportunity. You should be doing this once and you keep waiting for the bigger opportunity, okay? What I do in this my channel is that I teach you everything the way it is, okay? For now, this website that I mentioned is still working. It's still working perfectly, okay? All you need to do is just to click on the link below and you can get yourself here and start work immediately. This one, if you want to join this particular one, you will join with just 3,000 naira, okay? You can join with 3,000 naira. They have their own features like their village where you can ask questions, okay? Where you can see what other people are doing, you can follow what they are doing, and once you do it, you will get exact results they are getting also. As you can see, those people are asking questions, and those people see the kind of view they are getting, 3.4, and those people during festival time, they get some bonuses, okay? They get some things to win. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you find yourself in this website, all you need to do is just do what other people are doing. That's the secret. Do what other people are doing. You can discuss politics, you can discuss anything, you can ask any question, you can ask people to join you in anything you are doing right here, okay? And this place, you can do everything free of charge, and everything you are doing here is being calculating, and once, if you're a winner, you make money additional. So that's it. I think I have touched everything. They have Owodeli and the Owodeli Plus. Owodeli Plus is where you can pay, I think, 10,000 naira, and you can post some of your products here, and people will also help you market it, and you make more money also, okay? Promote there. Okay, this is it. So you can get a detailed video in some of my video where I think I thought about everything you need to know concerning all these websites. I have the videos, okay? So what I want you to do right now is make sure you watch all this video so that you will have more or better understanding on how it works, okay? Somebody requested this, that I should create or tell them more about those websites and how it works. So that is it. In conclusion, someone asked me to choose the particular one that is that they can make a lot of money from, okay? And in conclusion, all of these websites are doing well, okay? Because this one will pay you 35 naira, okay? 10 naira, 30 naira, 20 naira, 15 naira, 10 naira, okay? And it's unlimited. You can do as many as you want, okay? You can do as many as you want. So if you want to join the one with higher amount, you will pay higher money. The one that this Naira Worker is free of charge, you don't pay anything, but it's 7 naira and so on. So if you can join 3 of these websites, is cool, okay? If you want to post job, you will know exactly the one that is cheaper for you. That's the secret. You can post job to those cheaper one, and if you want to work, you go to one that has higher paying amounts, okay? That's the secret. If you want to buy recharge card, you go for the one that have the feature, which is hawkit.ng. You can buy some airtime for yourself. So without wasting much of your time, you can comment in the comment below and tell me more, and tell me the one you prefer and the reason why you love that particular one, okay? If you have any video requests, you can comment and tell me the kind of video you want me to do for you. I'll do it for you, okay? That's what we are here for. So thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And be the first person to watch simple mean that you'll be the first person to make money with my strategy.